Okay, so I finally made it back out here to put this, well, take the old one out and put the new one in. So we'll crawl under there and I'll show you what you got to look out for when you're trying to do this yourself. In case it helps. So, let's see, flip this thing around here. Like I said, you got to jack it up, jack the Jenny up, which requires the removal of the bolts on each corner. There's 4 of them that hold the Jenny in. And of course, I snapped one. But jack it up just to get access to those 2 damn bolts right there. Right there. Those 2 holes go into the bracket that holds the fuel pump in. I didn't have to jack it up. I didn't have to remove the exhaust. I got enough clearance, so I didn't have to remove the exhaust. You use a little, what is this, 1/4 inch to get up in there. That gives you, it's small enough to make it up in there. And of course, they're freaking 10 millimeters. But let's see. I already have the fuel pump out, but before you go at it, you want to, sorry about, maybe I'll edit this later. But you want to take the fitting off of the pump from this end before you're going to be able to pull the pump out of the other end. All right, I disconnected this hose, but I didn't need to. I thought I had to, but I didn't need to. So once you get this off, once you get those 2 bolts off, it'll pretty much just pull right out. Well, guess what I did? That pump I showed you, these are the ends that go to the fittings internally, you know, in the Jenny side of the exterior. Not the same size, not the same diameter holes either. So, back to fucking square one. Now you know not to do what I did. Okay, so I finally got around to it. And you'll notice on the pump with the green check, that's of course what we want. And the price, even better. I mean, that's like 1/10 of the price from Cummins. And the other knuckleheads, that other pump, that green looking one, I let them know that they're kind of screwing the public there by advertising the wrong model number. But it is what it is. So anyways, pumps in, primed it, starts right up. Good to go. Good luck.